Karthige Ade is a special savory dish prepared on Karthige festival and offered as Nevedyam. It is actually ade which has special ingredients, that is black urad dal, black peppercorns, a few coconut pieces, etc. This makes it different from the normal ade. Also, it is made out of a very thick batter. The batter is also prepared on the Karthige day itself and not fermented. So let's move to my kitchen to prepare this yummy dish, Karthige Ade. The ingredients for making Karthige Ade are 1 cup of raw rice, 1/3 cup of black urad dal, 1/3 cup of chana dal or Bengal gram, 1/3 cup of tur dal or split pigeon peas. Now wash and clean the dal rice mixture using some water and drain the water completely. The mixture is ready. Now pour enough water to soak this mixture for around 2 hours. Once the mixture is soaked, drain the water and add the dal rice mixture to a mixer jar to coarsely grind the ade batter. To this add a green chilli, a red chilli, 10 to 12 black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of asafoetida and 1 tablespoon of salt. Let's coarsely grind the mixture without adding water. Do this on the pulse mode, that will be sufficient. The batter is almost ready, but still some chana dal is left, so adding half a cup of water. To this mixture you can add a few curry leaves also and again pulse it. The batter is ready. Now you can see it is very thick and coarse. Now remove this batter onto a bowl and clean the mixer jar using some water and pour it over the batter. So I have added some more water to the batter. Still it is thick. This is the consistency of the batter we require. Adding a few more curry leaves, a teaspoon of cumin seeds and 2 tablespoons of chopped coconut pieces. Mix everything together and keep aside the batter for around 1 to 2 hours before preparing the ade. So what we usually do is, on the Karthige day in the afternoon we soak the dal rice and make the batter around 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock in the evening and prepare the ade just before the Nevedyam. So here I have kept a iron tawa on medium flame and our batter is here. Let the tawa heat up. As you can see, the batter is really thick, though I had added a little more water to the batter, but the water is absorbed into the batter. This is the consistency of the Karthige ade batter, very thick. Now the tawa is hot. I am adding a tablespoon of sesame oil, spreading using the tissue paper. Check the temperature of the tawa by sprinkling some water. If you hear ish sound, then the tawa is ready. Now pour a small ladle of batter. Here I am using my fingers to prepare the adai. Usually on the Kartikeya day, the adai dosha is prepared using hands as the batter is really thick, but the tawa will be really hot. So if you are not confident, do not try this method. I am just showing it the traditional way. Now I have drizzled some sesame oil. One side of the adai is ready. Now flip it to the other side so that the top portion is also cooked well. You can always spread the adai batter using a ladle. So the first adai is ready, and now for the second adai I will use the ladle method. Pour one ladle full of adai batter and spread evenly using the same ladle. Drizzle generous amount of sesame oil. You can use ghee also here. Cook the adai on both sides till adai is crisp. One side of the adai is cooked, so I have flipped it to the other side. Like this, prepare all adai using the batter. You can even sprinkle some more coconut pieces if you want over the adai batter, like I am showing now. Always pour a generous amount of sesame oil or ghee on top of the adai to make the adai taste better and yummy. I hope my friends who are watching this video, you like this video. Do subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that like button, and do write to me in the comment section. Our adai is ready. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe to our channel Cook Bake Repeat. Also like and share with your family and friends. Happy Kartikeya!